Possible Finance gives installment loans that can go up to a few $1,000s depending on your state, while Klover is a small cash advance app that usually starts around short-term advances tied to your paycheck timing. That difference alone decides which one fits you. By the end, you'll know which app is cheaper for short-term cash, which one is easier to get approved for, and which one actually helps you avoid getting stuck in repeat borrowing. Possible Finance is built like a mini loan provider. You borrow a fixed amount and repay it in installments over weeks. The key detail is that repayment is structured, so you're not forced to pay everything back in one paycheck cycle. That makes it feel more predictable, especially if your budget is already tight. The trade-off is cost and commitment. Once you take a loan, you're locked into multiple payments until it's fully repaid. If your income is unstable, that can stack pressure over time. Klover works differently. It's designed as a paycheck advance tool instead of a loan. You're essentially pulling forward money you've already earned. Repayment usually happens automatically when your next paycheck hits. That makes Klover feel simpler and faster for small gaps like groceries, gas, or a bill that's due before payday. But the limit stays small, so it doesn't solve bigger financial gaps. Now the real comparison comes down to use case. If you need a larger amount and want time to pay it back in chunks, Possible Finance is the more structured option. It behaves closer to a traditional loan experience, just through an app. If you only need a small amount to bridge a short gap until payday, Klover is usually the lighter option. It's faster, but it's not built for long-term borrowing or larger expenses. Approval also plays a role. Both apps look at income patterns and banking history instead of just credit scores. That means approval can vary widely depending on your account activity and deposits. Here's the simple breakdown. Possible Finance works better when you need more money and want repayment spread out. Klover works better when you need a quick small advance and want it cleared on your next paycheck. One practical step is to check your actual gap first. If it's under your next paycheck cycle, Klover usually fits better. If it's bigger than that, Possible Finance becomes the more realistic option. Like and subscribe for more simple breakdowns of credit apps and cash advance tools.